Hello, I'm here to show you how to set up 24/7 customer support using AI for your laundry business. Let's get started. Go to AI settings, choose Data Source, and click on the Website tab. Just enter your website's URL. In this section, you can review and disable any irrelevant data by turning them off or deleting them individually. You can also make relevant edits immediately. Now let's test how Apollo responds before you set it live on your website. As you can see, Apollo uses your website's data to answer customer questions. And don't forget to enable the recrawl feature to keep your data current and accurate at all times. You can also change Apollo's name and role, as well as upload a preferred avatar. Imagine using toAIAssist to get quick, accurate answers based on your website's data. Still handling customer service yourself? Activate tawk.to's AI Assist now and let Apollo wash away your customer service worries 24/7.